In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shareable link in Google Drive, making it easy to share your files or folders with anyone. Whether you're collaborating on a project or just need to send a few files quickly, knowing how to effectively use Google Drive's sharing features can save you a ton of time and effort. To get started, you'll need to open up Google Drive. You can access it from your web browser by going to drive.google.com and signing in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all your files and folders. If you don't have a Google account yet, take a moment to set one up. It's free and unlocks a host of services that Google offers, including Google Drive. Next, locate the file or folder that you want to share. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of items in your drive and need to find it quickly. Once you've found the item, right-click on it to open a menu of options. From this menu, select Get Link. This acts as a shortcut to the sharing settings for your selected file or folder. A pop-up window will appear, displaying a link you can copy. By default, the link is set so that only people added with specific email addresses can access it. If this suits your needs, you're almost done. Just clicking Copy Link will allow you to paste this link wherever you need to share it, like in an email or text message. However, if you want anyone with the link to have access, you'll need to change the settings a bit. In the pop-up window, click on the drop-down arrow next to where it says Restricted. You'll see several options, such as Anyone with the link. Select this option for a more open sharing setting. Keep in mind that this means anyone who has this link can view the file, so only use it when you're sure it's secure to do so. After setting the sharing permissions according to your needs, just click Copy Link and you're ready to go. You can now paste this link into emails, chat apps, or wherever you need to share it. It's a straightforward process that can facilitate easy collaboration or file sharing with virtually anyone. As a final tip, always review the access permissions of your shared files, especially if they're sensitive or contain private information. Regularly audit your shared links to maintain security and privacy, and adjust permissions if necessary. And there you have it. You've learned how to create and share Google Drive links effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.